The use of the Welsh language can play a part in our lives in many ways, including technology. And this video will show you how to set Microsoft Office 2010 and 2013 to Welsh. The Welsh Language Interface Pack also includes a Welsh spell checker, which will assist you to correct typing errors. It doesn't include a grammar checker. In order to check Welsh grammar on your computer, you need to install a program such as Cysill. First, make a note of which version of Microsoft Office you're using. Then, go to this website, Microsoft Office Language Interface Pack Downloads, which lists all the language packs available for Microsoft Office. Scroll down to Welsh at the end of the list and click on your version of Microsoft Office. You'll be taken to a new page. Follow these instructions in order to find out which pack you should install to use Office in Welsh. You'll have to choose between the two interfaces, LIP x86 or LIP x64. It's possible to install an x86 pack on an x64 machine, but it's not possible to install an x64 pack on an x86 machine. Confused? Don't worry. Choose the x86 version in the first instance. If it doesn't work, you can then download the x64 version from this page. The Office Language Interface Pack will begin downloading. Locate the downloaded file, double-click on it and follow the on-screen instructions. When this process is finished, there is only one remaining step to ensure that Office appears in Welsh. Open any Microsoft Office program, either Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Outlook. Click on File, then Options. A new window will appear. Click on Language on the left-hand side. The window will then supply a list of language choices for you. Where you see Display Language, move Welsh to the top of the list and press OK. You'll then need to restart any open Microsoft Office programs, and then the interface of Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook will be available in Welsh. But this won't be the case with Publisher and Access. And those are the steps you need to follow to change the format of Microsoft Office into Welsh. If you want to do this in your workplace, you should first check if it's possible to install such programs on your computer. Some workplaces only allow IT staff to do this. If you work in such a place, send a link to this video to your technical support staff and ask them to install the Microsoft language packs on your behalf. Doing the little things and increasing your use of Welsh with technology goes a long way, and you can find more videos giving further instructions on our website.